How do you get dressed with ease? Here's a tip. You curate your wardrobe intentionally. I'm a closet coach. I teach you how to do that. That just means that everything hanging in your closet is there for a reason, and everything gets used. That makes getting dressed so much easier when you have everything you need. So as a closet coach, I am doing a summer wardrobe challenge. It starts July 9th, and I will walk you through the process, walk you through the decisions that you will need to make in order to curate an intentional wardrobe. So, are you ready to get started? The link is in my bio. And as a closet coach, I find it so helpful to just focus on one season at a time. Oftentimes, when you look at your entire wardrobe, you may get overwhelmed. But looking at it one season at a time, very intentionally, will set you up for success. So join me for the wardrobe challenge. I'd love to have you. I just finished up my last challenge, and my client said this was a game changer. She now gets dressed with clarity, with decisiveness, with ease. I want that for you. So join me. We'll see you soon.